Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. अभी ताज लेक पैलेस. Wait, focus the camera. Leave it. Anyways, once sitting at home, I was thinking to plan travel somewhere close to Gurgaon, which has moderate climate and can be explored over a weekend. While several vlogs talk about hill stations in summers, somehow Udaipur caught my interest. So let's explore the beautiful capital of Mewar, Rajasthan. Udaipur is a royal tourist destination for travelers who love history, culture and architecture. The Mewar Maharajas had a keen interest in the fine arts and they filled Udaipur with gorgeous palaces and temples. Udaipur has earned the titles such as Venice of the East and City of Lakes and acted as the backdrop for many Bollywood movies. Its temperature is between 28 to 38 degrees Celsius in summers and 11 to 28 degrees Celsius in winters. Best time to visit is from September to March. Udaipur is surrounded by 7 stunning lakes, with Lake Pichola being most well known and frequently visited. We were looking for a hotel stay which is right on the banks of Lake Pichola, such that from our balconies also we can feel the palaces and lakes close to our eyes. Plus, it should suit our budget. And finally we found Lake Pichola Hotel, which is situated on the western banks. It has a convenient location such that temples and other monuments are accessible by foot. And since you are already inside the hotel, just look at the evening view. तो भाई रहने का इंतजाम तो हो चुका है, तो अब बाहर निकला जाए. So on top of the list is obviously City Palace. City Palace is one of the best places to visit in Udaipur and sits beautifully on the banks of Lake Pichola. It is one of the most royal setups in the entire Rajasthan. Its construction was started in 1559 by Maharaja Uday Singh II and was completed in 400 years by his successors. City Palace boasts of the wonderful blend of medieval, European and Chinese architecture and comprises of 11 wonderful palaces built by different rulers. A good guide will make a palace visit more interesting for you. Near to the entry of the City Palace, you can get tickets for boat to Jagmandir Palace from Bansi Ghat Jetty, which takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour. This boat ride will mesmerize you, especially during the sunset. The sunset view from the boat is truly magical, as is the changing colors of water from blue in the morning to golden in the noon and orange during the sunset. तो चलिए आपको बोटिंग का मजा दिलाते हैं. भाई फोटो खींचते रहना, बहुत ही सही व्यू है. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं ये सिटी पैलेस है और अब हम होटल ताज लेक पैलेस को भी फ्रेम में लेंगे, जो स्टार्टिंग में हम नहीं ले पाए थे. During this boat ride, you will get to see an old wooden rowboat named Royal Gamgor, which was once owned by the Maharaja of Udaipur, which featured in the James Bond movie Octopussy in 1980s and now used by the Hotel Taj Lake Palace for special occasion. तो हम पहुंच चुके हैं जगमंदिर पैलेस. Yellow sandstone structure, large statues of elephants carved in stone greeting us, exquisite architecture in southern island of Lake Pichola. Constructed in 17th century by 3 different Rajput rulers, it's also known as Jagat Mandir after the name of Maharaja Jagat Singh who completed it. It has a garden courtyard and a museum also. Interesting fact is Jagat Mandir also hosts celebrity weddings worth rupees 8 crore per night. तो भाई बहुत महंगा है. जगत मंदिर के बाद हम पहुंचे फतेह सागर लेक, which is the second largest artificial lake of the city. It's well known for the boating activities. लेकिन बोटिंग हम कर चुके थे, इसलिए हमने यहाँ ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं स्पेंड किया. In the evening, we had a dinner at Harigad restaurant, which is a perfect choice for candlelit dinner and makes you sit right next to the lake. On the second day, we explored Saheliyon ki Bari or the Garden of Maidens. As the name suggests, this place was developed for the maidens who came along with the princess post her marriage to the Maharana of those times. तो मुझे जो यहाँ की सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ पसंद आई वो थे यहाँ के नेचुरल फाउंटेन्स एंड लोटस पॉन्ड्स, क्योंकि हम दिल्ली वालों को ये चीज़ें कहाँ देखने को मिलती हैं। और उसके बाद हम पहुँचे उस दिन के लास्ट बट मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग डेस्टिनेशन, बागोर की हवेली। बागोर की हवेली इज़ लोकेटेड ऑन गंगौर घाट मार्ग। It is an 18th century palace built by the Prime Minister of Mewar, Amar Chand. This palace has about 100 rooms with doors with mirrors and beautiful paintings. गंगौर घाट मार्ग इवनिंग में कुछ ऐसा दिखता है ना ब्यूटीफुल। Every evening, बागोर की हवेली होस्ट अ परफॉर्मेंस डन बाय राजस्थानी आर्टिस्ट। तो कोशिश करिए कि आप वेन्यू पे 7 बजे से पहले पहुंच जाएं और एंट्री टिकट्स ले लें, क्योंकि यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं एंड सीट्स भी जल्दी भर जाती हैं। तो आइए लेकर चलते हैं आपको लाइव शो में। प्लीज़ वॉच इट टिल द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो बिकॉज इट्स रियली वर्थ इट। Guys, this is the puppet dance. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you really like this video, then press like button and share your comments. I will be coming up with a new vlog very soon. Till then, stay tuned and live life king size. Bye.